Hello everyone, Hussein here. Welcome to Property Vlogs channel. This is the luxury and spacious house tour. 5 BHK comprising of ground, first and second floor. The house land area is 5100 square feet with private garden, and this is the independent house. This room is wooden flooring. The main entrance is north facing, and the living room. Entire house is marble flooring. This is the dining hall. This is the bedroom one with wooden flooring and attached bathroom with branded fittings. And here is the huge water storage sump with open space. And this is the common bathroom with same features of modern fittings. Living room, dining, and this is the modular kitchen along with the power backup room. From the left, utility area and outside staircase. And this is the maid's room, and the entire house has setback. Now we are going on first floor. This is the library room. And here is the semi-furnished bedroom 2 with split ACs. Walk-in closet and attached bathroom with the modern fitting. And now the bedroom 3. This bedroom also has attached bathroom with branded fittings and fixtures. From here you can see the ground level with garden, and this is the private lift. Now I'll show you the fourth bedroom. This bedroom also wooden flooring with attached bathroom, walk-in wardrobe. As you see here, this is the open space with good ventilation from the curved glass window. Now finally on second floor, the fifth bedroom. View from the second floor, beautifully designed architect house. This is the fifth bedroom of wooden flooring with attached bathroom and modern fittings. The master bedroom comes with huge balcony. I'll take you to the balcony. And here you can see the amazing city view. From here you can see the UB City, JW Marriott and Chinnaswamy Cricket Stadium. So this is the terrace cum party area with barbecue from the left center and washroom. The built-up area of the house is 7,100 square feet. Spacious home situated at one of the posh locations of Bangalore. Close by malls, cafe, 5-star hotels, hospitals and top institutions. Thank you for watching the luxury house tour video.